In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hibernate your LinkedIn account. Whether you're taking a break from your professional networking or just need a pause, hibernating your LinkedIn account is a straightforward process that ensures your profile remains dormant without permanently deleting your account. Let's walk through these steps together to help you achieve this. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Ensure you access the platform through a secure and reliable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you're on LinkedIn, look for the Sign In option, typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on Sign In will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Please ensure you have these ready, as you'll need your email and password associated with your LinkedIn account. After successfully logging into your account, you'll be directed to the LinkedIn homepage, where you usually see updates from your connections and any professional news. Next, you need to access your specific profile settings. To do this, take a look at the top navigation bar and click on your profile picture, usually at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Settings and Privacy. This section is the hub for managing various aspects of your LinkedIn experience, including account preferences, data privacy, and more. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, you'll need to navigate to the Account Preferences tab, which is designed to give you control over how your account functions. This section contains options related to your account's management and hibernation status. Click on this tab, and you'll see a list of options displayed. Among the options listed, find and click on Account Management. It's important to remember that LinkedIn provides these settings to make managing your account as robust and user-friendly as possible. Within the Account Management area, you'll see the Hibernate Account option. Clicking on Hibernate Account will initiate the process of temporarily pausing your LinkedIn presence. Remember, hibernating your account does not delete it, but makes your profile invisible to others, meaning you won't show up in searches or connections. This action is reversible, so whenever you're ready to return, you simply log in, and your account will be restored as it was. In summary, hibernating your LinkedIn account involves simple steps: logging in, accessing settings through your profile, navigating to account management, and selecting the hibernation option. It's an effective way to take a professional pause and return whenever you choose. By following these instructions, you'll be able to manage your online presence wisely and according to your personal and professional needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you take control of your LinkedIn journey.